So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a restore point in your Windows. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe our channel Tutormania. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you have to press search button in taskbar. Here search create a restore point. Now open it. Here what you have to do, you have to select local disk C. Now create. Now here you have to enable the protection option. So here you have to give memory for restore point. It depends upon you how much you want to give it. I'll go for 10 GB. Now press apply, then OK. Now you can also create restore point for different partitions also. Now let me show you how you can delete the restore point. Again go to create. Then here you can see delete option, just press it. And that's it, your restore point has been deleted. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.